D is for dolphin. Yes, that's me.
You swim so fast.
Swim with me, D.
Can you swim, D? I can float. Swim with me.
Bubble, pop, pop.
Let's dance together.
Dancing feels delightful.
I feel dizzy and happy.
Dance makes the day.
Look, a deep cave.
Discovering new places is exciting.
Everything looks different.
Discovery makes learning fun.
These bubbles look dreamy.
Dreams feel calm and nice.
I feel relaxed and happy.
Dreamy days are the best.
Let's dive deeper.
Diving together is daring.
I feel brave and strong.
Doing things together is fun. That was a delightful day. Days are better together. I feel calm and joyful.
Let's come back again.